Good day mga ka-fam ko, this is me, your teacher Death of the Philippines, and I am back for another tutorial video. And for today, I am going to teach to you on how to recognize rhyming words in a poem listen to. Yes, so if you are ready for that, please of course don't forget to subscribe my channel, do a like and hit the notification bell so you will get updated of our upcoming more videos or educational videos. So let us now start again. To make things easy for this target, of course, first we are going to have a refreshment about rhyming words. So let us study what rhyming words are, of course. Now, okay, when you are to say rhyming words, they are words that have the same or similar ending sound. Example for this, we have, alright, sound around. Try to hear the sound of these words. Sound around. Alright, similar ending sound, right? So they are rhyming words. Another example, we have Sam, jam. Alright, another, fear, here. Alright, another example for rhyming words, that's fear, here. Yes. Another, we have use, news. Very good. Example for rhyming words. Another, we have here, ear, near. Right. Another, we have wanted, granted. Alright. So, what can you say again of those pair of words that I'm just presenting to you, that I've just presented to you? Yes, they are. Alright, they are words that have the same or similar ending sound. Very good. Another second question for that, we have what do you call them or how do you call those words? Alright, very good. They are called rhyming words. Alright, they are rhyming words because, of course, they have the same or similar ending sound. Very good. So now, of course, before we are going to hit our target, first, of course, I am to test your understanding regarding about rhyming words. So this time, of course, we are still going to identify, not yet recognize, right? Because, of course, this is still part of our review. In each group of words, color the two words that rhyme. So, I'm going to present to you the set of words, which of course you are going to color the words that rhyme. Yeah, here we have park, date, plain, dark. So, what's your answer? You are again going to color the two words that rhyme. Color in your mind, of course. Your answer there is very good. Park and dark. Why do you color these words? Because of course they have the same or similar ending sound. Park, dark. Therefore, they are rhyming words. Very good. Another. Alright, we have here bark, fake, wake, pain. Which of the words are you going to color there? Let us see if your answers are right. Yes, this is it. Fake and wake. Okay, did you get the right answer? I guess so, and hopefully. Okay, this is it. Why is it that your answer is fake and wake? Right, because they have the same or similar ending sound. So therefore, they are rhyming words. Very good. Very, very good, guys, mga ka-fam ko. And now, alright, now that you already have mastered about rhyming words, now it's already time for us to hit our target. And that is to recognize the rhyming words in a poem that you hear from your teacher, or recognize the rhyming words in a poem listen to, of course, from your teacher, that you've heard from your teacher. So, if you have your pens there, notebook, please again, jot down all the rhyming words that you think are from the poem that I am going to read to you. So, get yourselves ready now. Okay, this is it. Raise your hand if they are clean, by the teacher to be seen. Hand and faces clean and bright, how they do our hearts delight. Raise them higher, higher, so lower, lower down they go. Again, list all the rhyming words, huh? Okay, this is it. Again, raise your hands if they are clean, by the teacher to be seen. Hand and faces clean and bright, how they do our hearts delight. Raise them higher, higher, so lower, lower down they go. Alright, so let's see if your answers are Alright, so let me now present to you the pair of our rhyming words present in our poem. So this is it now. Mga ka-fam ko, we have clean and seen. We also have bright, delight. And we have so and go. So, if you have this pair of words, then please try to check your work. You are right. Yes, so again, in recognizing rhyming words from a poem listened to, of course, you have to be attentive. Mga anak, mga kafam ko, you have to be attentive. Because, of course, most of the words, of course, or most of the rhyming words are seen, of course, in the last line of in the last word of every line. Yes, so that's why you have to be attentive in recognizing rhyming words from the poem listened to, or even if from the poem presented to you, you can find those rhyming words, of course, at the end of the word in every line. Yes, so that's it. We have here again clean, seen, bright, delight, so and go. So please try to check your work. If you have those pairs, then please do put check mark. You are right. Alright, so next. Alright again. From the words presented to you, what can you say of those pair of words? Alright, they are words that have the same or similar ending sound. Right. What do you call them? Right, or how do you call them? They are called rhyming words. Right, that's it, rhyming words. Okay, so this time let us have another try. Okay, so I'm going to read to you again a poem, then again all you have to do is to write the words that rhyme. Huh? That's it. So I'm going to read to you a poem entitled Thank You God. Okay, let's start now. Thank you God. Thank you God for the world so sweet. Thank you God for the food we eat. Thank you for my parents dear. Because of them I have no fear. Thank you for the birds that sing. Thank you God for everything. Again. Thank you God. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you for my parents dear. Because of them I have no fear. Thank you for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Yeah. So, this time, hopefully you are now done with your work. I'm now going to present to you the poem that I've just read. Okay, this time I'm going to present to you now. So this is it. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you for my parents dear. Because of them I have no fear. Thank you for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Alright, I forgot the punctuation there. That's exclamatory point. The end of, yeah, everything. So your answers, let us check. If you have this pair of words, then again, please do put check mark. You are right. Sweet, eat. Dear, fear. Sing, everything. Again, as I say, or as I said, in recognizing rhyming words from the story listen to, you have to be attentive because most of the words are found at the end of every line. Yes, so just like in our first and second line, you have to be careful there. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. So, obvious. Okay, it's already clear. You have there two pair of words at the end in every line, sweet and eat. Very good. Then again, let's move. Thank you for the third line. Thank you for my parents, dear. Because of them, I have no fear. Alright, you have there dear and fear. Very good. Then thank you for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. You have there sing and everything. Very good. So hopefully it's now clear to you and it's now easy for you to recognize rhyming words from the poem. Okay, listen to. Alright, so before we end up once again, let's have a wrap up. Okay, so when you say rhyming words, they are words that have the same similar ending sound. Be attentive in recognizing rhyming words because, of course, from the poem listen to, because most of the words are just found at the end of every line. So that's it. Hope you've learned something today, mga ka-fam ko, and I'll see you for our next video. And again, if you find this video helpful to you guys, please don't forget, so please do it right now. Subscribe. Alright, so thank you so much and see you next time again. Bye bye and keep safe. I love you. Bye books.